You are the dancing queen. I should just start dancing.
Yo, oh, this is too zoomed in.
Yo, it's your boy with
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, this is the Brian interview.
Not that one, right?
Why am I still recording? Oh, slug bug, no tag back.
These shoes are out in the slug bug.
You know what? That's the car I'm gonna be driving, so I'm never gonna pick you up.
Really?
Yeah, I'm never gonna pick you up. You're gonna be hitting me all the time.
Yo, what's up? We here in Reno. Oh god, we here in Reno. Yeah, pool. Yeah, I really want to go to the pool, but we're not allowed to go to the pool. Yeah, man, let's go. This is Guillermo, bro. Shout out to him. So now we're bowling. Right now, oh, focus. There we go. Yay, focus. So we're bowling. Well, look, he spelled my name. Frosis. That is the first Frosis ever, like, bro. Yo, guys, it's your boy, Frosis here. Like, dude, how do you spell Francis Frosis?
What's up, Frosis?
Bro, Guillermo, why? Why have you forsaken my name?
Hold on, I want to see these people.
What?
I want to see how we do. Let's see.
Oh god, this is so bad. So I wanted to use the 10, but my thumb got stuck in the...
Yeah.
What? So I'm gonna use the 11, here you go.
Ooh! That's a clean shot. Oh my god! Yeah, he didn't even start.
Yo, Spoods. It's Ruben and Spoods. I'm Spooder Man. My signature move, man. Right, you know? Let's go. Oh. What do you have to say for yourself, huh? Are you contemplating life now?
I'm contemplating.
Oh, calm down here, Baker. You know, it's better though because I'm using 11, right? 11. Julian Edelman from the Patriots. Wide receiver. My favorite player, but his ACL's torn. Oh, he got a spare. Okay, so we're teaching Ruben how to bowl.
Yeah, Ruben.
So that's Guillermo, that's Ruben.
When we walk up, you get some.
That's Brian. Or yeah, let's go. Oh wait.
Let him get one.
Yeah. Dude, this focus is so bad. So
oh crap.
Your boy Francis here.
Get the ball.
Frosis is gonna win.
Frosis.
I'm taking that W, man.
Damn, he took an L. That's a gutter.
Yeah, I hit my knee.
I guess you could say that's a knee slapper. Whoa, whoa, nah, nothing. Getting like, ooh, not bad. Not bad. All right, hold this. Hold this L.
L, man, L.
I know.
Oh, let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it.
I'm taking an L right now.
Bruh. Yo, so I'm like, Guillermo is a size 11
and a half.
and a half.
Blessed.
I'm size 7, and this is like, there was Amazing Spider-Man 2 earlier, and Guillermo was hella distracted with his report. He was looking at Emma Stone the whole time. Inspire him, man. Dude, let Emma Stone inspire you. So your boy Frosis is gonna. Okay, I'm kind of losing at the moment, but Frosis will make that comeback. That Super Bowl 51 comeback, man. Clutch AF. So Steven just showed up to the party, right? No? Yeah? Cool. Steven's gonna try to help carry Ruben a bit, right? It's okay, man. We're clickbait. Let's go. Why? A club dance, man. Club dance.
I think we can make it all the way. It's already turning. Wait,
Bro.
it's gonna happen.
Bro.
No.
Bro.
Wait, is it gonna?
Oh.
Yeah.
To the window. To the walls. Okay, boys. This guy said he wasn't good. He's making me sweat now. I gotta sweat.
I'm sweating.
I'm low-key tilt.
Look at this.
Low-key tilt. Oh, okay.
What was that?
Well,
He was like, no. This is not, no.
yo, okay, guys. This is I'm kind of handicapped right now because my zipper broke. My zipper broke. I have to hold my pants while bowling. And this is my favorite shorts, I think. I'm choking like the Atlanta Falcons and the Seattle Seahawks right now. Guillermo is actually winning.
Yeah.
And he spared it.
Now you have to knock those.
Okay, so now it's the final round. I am under pressure. Guillermo's beating me. Julian Edelman. Let's go. As long as you get it better than
Who the hell's Julian?
Woo! I have nothing to lose, so I'm a 360.
Please don't. It's gonna go into another lane. No! 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 Wow!
Spider-Man. Let's go. Let's see final scores. Final scores. So I took that silver. Honestly, I like silver than gold. You guys can call it an L. There is an L in silver. But yeah, there's the scores. 102, 72, 43, 83. I choked hella hard this time.
I won! First place, you guys.
Haha.
102.
So, Guillermo, champion of this this Reno bowling round. How do you feel?
Oh, I feel pretty good about myself. You know, the competition was fierce. Those first few frames really got to me.
Right.
You know, those mind games that Brown had
that first strike, that very first strike from Frosis.
Oh, the very first strike from Bray Bray over here. Really
Yeah,
caught me
dude.
off guard.
Right?
I started out with a weak
Same.
game, but you know,
Dude,
my bowling game came back
Right?
strong. I want to thank my fans, not only to God, but to Jesus.
I got you, dude.
That's only because I didn't play. That's all.
So now we're air hockey. It's pretty intense. Right now, their side is 1. Our side here is 3. But on this side we have Steven. On this side we have Guillermo with a 10-inch reach advantage.
Yeah! Yeah!
So we close, man. We close. We better not choke again. I swear to God, we better not choke. So you can say that we are. Oh, they just lost. But so you can say that we're rebels.
Want to get in the gun?
We're rebels, right? That pun though. We're rebels.
Yeah, your air hockey game. Just spin it.
Beyblade. Let it rip. Okay, guys, you win some, you lose some. Guillermo won the bowling game. I lost that, but we won the air hockey game. Anyways, peace out, people. See you next time. Deuces.
You're gonna see my man titties. I got some pretty big man titties. This ain't facts.